Mom and Dad. Work the trip.
Good morning, vlog. Good morning. It's bright and early today.
It is almost 7 o'clock and we are going to miss the bus that we need to get on.
Yep.
Slightly stressed.
It's fine.
We're running late.
It's a blast.
We're running. We're so late.
It's really not the greatest. My tube top is literally sliding. Hi vlog. We just got off the bus. We're walking to the entrance.
We have to run. The park.
This lighting is so good.
Wow, it's cold an hour in the morning. Let's go. The park hasn't even opened yet, and Avatar already has a 90-minute wait. Please let me know. I am also wearing my animal proof for Animal Kingdom. Thank you for appreciating that.
Guys, we're here. Woo!
I thought we were early.
Well,
here we are. Next montage now.
wait, this is so cool.
Here comes breakfast.
Prepare pressure doors.
Hi vlog. We just finished Avatar.
I don't want to be dramatic, but that was like the coolest thing ever.
Oh yeah,
that was
100%.
incredible.
Best ride in Disney, hands down.
That was real.
Like you know, it felt like you were actually
It felt
like falling,
so
whatever.
real.
That
Like
is
so
incredible.
real.
Honestly, I loved the wind blowing at you.
Yeah.
Like
I was doing pregnancy breathing.
Yeah.
They're like, if you're afraid of heights or motion sickness, please
Which
get
way
off
do we
now.
go?
I was like, well, I'm done.
Wow, now she's doing it just as like you. All right.
Going to Dino Land.
Stranger.
Wow, what a great human. Guys. I look like an egg.
Me too.
Hi guys, we're running to Everest to make our fast pass time. We are struggling.
Idea! None of my clothes are staying on. This is so bad.
Yeah, same.
I'm holding every article of clothing on my body. I'm just stressed. Avatar shirts. 1 minute to spare.
Sunscreen time.
We're struggling. I want to sit on this.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna die!
Bella, you're stressing out. Because I saw like a flash and I was like,
Once again, we're rushing to get to our fast pass.
It's actually only us two because that's how late we are.
Bella and Courtney are still waiting to pay.
So that's good. We luckily did it with our bands.
Yeah.
So, good.
You know, we're just struggling today.
We don't know where we are.
Yeah. Oh, I think we're
Is that
here.
maybe?
Question mark. I don't. We're
No,
lost.
this way. So we thought we made it incorrect.
I think we're almost there.
Courtney and I are running through a party to get to our Kilimanjaro safaris thing in time. We just ate.
We're a little winded,
Yeah.
but we're here.
I'm gonna throw up.
At least we get to sit for half an hour.
Yes, and look at animals that look like Jordan.
Alright, Daddy gonna be right here. Daddy not going nowhere.
Over there, those white birds, those are the pink-backed pelicans. Easier right there, you gotta sit down.
Bella.
Are you kidding, Bella?
I will see a couple of the baby giraffes on the other. You see the dirt on his back.
Daddy, watch out!
Those rhinos.
Vlog. It started raining, basically pouring. It's thundering, lightning. It's great.
It's a little rain delay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Just forgot their rain poncho. Will we really be able to go to the pool after this?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Hi, vlog.
It's us, the 7 to 1. Prom hairstyle? I think
Oh,
yes.
of course.
I only do Snapchat vlogs.
That's really embarrassing for me. But yeah, you made it a little bit. You made it. We're friends airdropping. I airdropped him some rice, and then it got weird.
Guys, we just finished Avatar for the second time.
Again, even
so much
better.
So good.
If it could even get any better, it did.
Literally.
And we met some friends.
Oh yes.
Oh, they're in the vlog.
One of
have a
them-
clip of
Oh,
them.
I interviewed them.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
One of their names was Simon. That was the one that was from
Belgium.
Belgium.
And then we don't know the one that's in the vlog.
Yeah.
Who's our friend?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Bella, and I'm an explorer.
Wait,
this is
stop.
our adventure pack.
No, stop. I, Bella, pledge that I will uphold the Wilderness Explorer's motto. A wilderness explorer is a friend to all, be it plants or fish or tiny mold.
Wow.
I'm ready. We did it. Oh my shirt fell off.
Guys, my face looks.
Are you kidding? That's so Hi vlog. We made it on the dinos.
Bella's so excited. I want to complete my badges. Oh, it's the roof! What?
You wanna go now?
No, I'll just go down the stairs. So we're just gonna take the stairs.
Yeah, I could hear her butt stick to the slide every 5 seconds and then like stop.
We're walking to the show. We've been here like 12 hours. Probably. It will be more than that.
I got my badge!
Yay! No one cares.
Also, fun fact, dinosaurs died before mammoths.
Yes.
We learned that fact today.
I knew that fact.
Well, I knew that fact too.
Yes.
but for all you viewers out there who didn't know that,
How we doing, friends?
Woo!
That's it, Bella.
There's more to see than can be seen, more to do than can be done.
So